Hello guys, so today we're making a video on how to turn on the eco mode on the Titan DT 300 available at Ecoway. So essentially what the eco mode means is the differentiation point is when it's on, the bidet, the seat, whenever you sit on the toilet seat, it will already be heated and be comfy for you to start using. When you turn the eco mode on, which helps it saves energy, the seat only warms up after it detects someone sitting on it and it's being sensed, right? So essentially right now, the eco mode is on. If you were to go physically touch the toilet seat on the Titan, you would feel how warm it is because the eco mode is on. So to turn it off, what we do is we have the flush button on the remote. We're gonna hold it. You're gonna wait for the lights to blink. And once it's on the blink one, to turn it off, you press the back and then to select the settings. So now eco mode is off. Like I said, the differentiation point is that the toilet seat will basically be cold and it only warms up after it detects someone sitting on it. Now to turn eco mode back on, you simply hold the flush button again. The light is gonna blink and then you press front and then you select this to register the settings. Now eco mode is back on, and obviously you can test it if you have the model toilet there where the seat should stay warmed completely without someone sitting on it. Thank you, and remember you can get the Titan D300 at Ecoway. Expect better.